What's the best place to buy a patty in London? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the best of Jamaica in the London area.
Now, we're going to take you over to London. So we asked, what's the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery in London? And you said Jamaica Patty Company. So congratulations to you there.
And I think Jamaica Patty Company, if I'm correct, is a second-time winner. So double congratulations.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. Means that they're making some really good pastry and patties there. So we asked, what is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? And I think this one too is a second-time winner. It sounds really familiar, right?
Brixton Market,
London and Blue Mountain Peak. So this is a tie.
Yes, this is a tie.
Congratulations. So we asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And you said Roger's Kitchen. So congratulations to you there. And then we asked, the best Jamaican / Caribbean event you attended this year. Without a doubt, Nottingham Carnival.
You been?
I've never been. It's one of the things that's been on my bucket list. I've just not been in that bucket yet.
So which one of the carnivals? You have a bucket list of carnivals, I know. Which ones have you been to?
So I've been to Trinidad a couple of times. I have been to St. Lucia. I have been to Jamaica. I've done Miami. I have done Toronto. So that's still on my bucket list.
Okay.
I'm going. When I'm 60, I'm still going to be jumping carnival. So I have time. I have a whole heap of time.